Good morning, dear students. I Vidyasagar welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International Liswa. I am going to start subject SPL of Standard 7, and this is the topic from how the state government works, and this is chapter 3. Dear students, in this topic we are going to discuss, as in the previous topic we have already discussed, that those parties which are in majority, they form the government, and those parties who having the mandate of more than 50% plus one, it means they will form the government and they will run the government, and the governor of that state, they just call the big party who are bigger than all. So here and those remaining parties who were also standing in the election, but they got the less votes than the winning party, they usually, and they are bigger among all those parties, so they form the or they do the work of opposition. Okay, so here the discussion of the MLAs is given here. Now by this perception you can get that what type of things these are done in the legislative assembly, a debate in the legislative assembly. Dear students, Afrin S. Sujata and many other students, they were just traveling in their state capital. Like our state capital is in Patna, so if you will visit Patna, then you will see that there is the legislative assembly in which in Hindi is known as Vidhan Sabha, and as the legislature is there, that's why the rule and regulation is made there for by the MLAs, by the with the help of their discussion, with the help of their commitment, with the help of their supports, and these rules and regulation further executed to us by the executive departments. It means Karyapalika, those peoples who are engaged in the executives, they are known as executive person, or you can say the Karyapalak. So all the students, they were going to visit the legislative assembly, and further all were excited after the security checks, as we will see that there is lot of security checks, because all the VIP person, they ever used to come. So the assembly, they saw that there was a large hall below, and there was a row of desks. It means there was the row of desks in which they used to sit there, and they used to discuss about their constituency. It means what the problem is there in their constituency, they ever used to discuss there. So as the assembly was going to debate on a current problem, and during this time MLA can express their opinions and ask the question related to issue, to the suggestions about what should be done by the government. Then those who wish to respond this, like the chief minister and other minister, have to take decision and run the government. We usually hear about them and see them in the news channels. Like any of the rule or any of the bill that is passed, then further it became law, and further it is whether broadcasted by our CM or whether broadcasted by the concerned ministers who are the authority of that ministry. Like if the concern is about the education, then it is usually announced by the education minister. If it is concerned to the health, then it is released by the health minister. Like that, the MLA one, they are just asking the question that in their constituency Akhanda Gaon, during last 3 weeks there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea. As you know, the diarrhea, that is the dangerous disease, and this all happened due to the contaminated water. So these, they think that they were telling that it is same for us, that government is not able to being check the situation and the simple problem like diarrhea, while proclaiming itself to be champion of technology. It means the one who seems to be the opposition party and they are the winning candidate, but they telling that those government who used to proclaim themselves that they are the champion of technology, and they are even not able to just clarify the simple problem about diarrhea. So also they want to draw the attention of minister in charge of health, as means this concern is related to the health. So they are just asking about the health minister to control the situation wherever MLA2. The question is that why our government hospital is in bad situation. They are also seems that they are from opposite party, so they are also asking that why the government is not appointing the doctors to the district hospital wherever the government situation and a large number of peoples they are affecting from it, and it became the epidemic. It means you can say that those current problems which are spreaded in a particular area, that is known as epidemic. And pandemic, it means that is spread in all over the world, or you can say all over the country, that is known as pandemic. So you should be clear about that. So the next MLA third, he is also asking the question that my constituency Tolpatti too has a serious shortage of water. See, there it always seems that there is shortage of water and there is health problem. It always used to be happen, but these of the problem, these should be must raised by their leaders, their representatives, their MLAs, and these MLAs should raise their problems, and these problems should be abolished. So the women, they have to travel the 3 to 4 kilometer to collect the water. As how many tankers have been put in their service, they want to know, and what are the condition of the well and ponds, whether it is clean or disinfected. It means those 3 MLAs, you have sequentially you seen that 3 MLAs, they were just asking the question, as it seems they are from the opposition party. Like next MLA 4, they are talking that I think they are from the ruling party. They are telling that I think my colleagues are exaggerating. It means expanding the problems, and the government, it has been already taken the steps to control the situation. Water tanks have been put in the service and ORS packets have been being distributed, and the government is doing everything possible to help the peoples. Next MLA 5, they are also from the ruling party. They are giving the answer that we have the very poor facilities in our hospital, but there are hospital who do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for last few years. In other hospital, doctor has gone on long leave. It means they are also inquiring the government. They are also getting inquiry from the government that why these hospitals are being blanked and the doctors are on long leave. As today's you can see that in concern of corona, you will see that all the doctors and medical staffs, their holidays are being cancelled because this dangerous situation. By looking this dangerous situation, it is very serious problem, and that's why if they will move toward the holiday, then who will work here? So that's why their holidays has been cancelled. So the next MLA who is from the ruling party, they are just telling that the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government, because the ruling party and their MLAs, they are part of the government, so they have to defend. So they are defending themselves that you all are just opposing the government. As the previous government, they also blame on the previous government. But if they are handed over, they have handled the situation right now and they are the winning candidate, they should handle it. But they also lay it on the previous government that they did not pay the attention to the sanitation, and we have taken the drive to clear the garbage that has been laying for years. So with this discussion, with this debate, you came to know about that what are the things which ever usually used to happen in the legislative assembly. And with the further discussion, when the chairperson, or you can say the leader of that assembly, they just find out the conclusion, and further any bill is released there, and further it became the law for us. And then those laws which is passed out from the legislature, these are being executed by the executive parts. It means those person who used to run these law, who used to execute these law within the society, within the state, they are the member of executive. And those persons who used to who are the being represented by the peoples, and they are being elected by the peoples, and they are just doing their work in the legislative assembly. They are known as the legislatures. So those persons who are authorized and supervised to watch their work, as they saw that in the earlier section, it is among them that the head of executive or the chief minister is formed. It means those and all the work, whether it is during under the executive, whether under the legislature, this all work is being supervised by the CM, and CM is overall responsible for that. Okay, dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.